In this video, we'll show how Tyno AI selects the correct ledger for invoices and expenses based on the nature of the business. We will upload the same bill to two companies, Ligahead, whose nature of business is accounting and taxation consulting, and Acme Corp, a dealer in computer hardware. We will be uploading the purchase bill for the pen drive. Let us first upload the bill to the company Ligahead. Since the company provides consulting services, it has correctly categorized this invoice under the office equipment ledger. Now let's navigate to another company, Acme Corp, and upload the same bill here. Here, the company deals in computer hardware, and it has correctly categorized this invoice under the purchase ledger. With Tyno AI, choosing the right ledger is no longer guesswork. It's intelligent, precise, and tailored to your business. Thank you for watching video.